Hey guys, it's me Ram the Cuber and this is my unboxing of the GAN Rubik's Speedcube. So I picked this up from SCMU 2017 and I'm very excited to unbox it. Let's go. First let's read the contents of the box. Effortless turn, revolutionary Speedcube design, co-developed with record-breaking GAN cube, tough tiles, uh, patented tile design, no fading, peeling or chipping. Over here, the original Rubik's Cube reinvented for speed cubing. The genuine Rubik's Cube created by Professor Erno Rubik has now been reinvented with revolutionary design to provide first-in-class speed cubing experience. Nothing else. Scan to watch world record. I'm pretty sure this is Felix's world record, but now Patrick has broken it with 4.69. Anyways, let's move on to the unboxing. Okay, let's unbox this. How do I open this? Wait a second. Plastic over here stuck to my hand. Oh god, have I broken the box? Oh god. Here we go. I better clear this first. This is the GAN Rubik's Speedcube. This is a cool thing. Let me put it off to the side. Here we are, Rubik's GAN Speedcube. Let's go ahead and unbox it. Open the plastic wrap. What if I want to wrap it back? Is there any way to open the plastic wrap like that? Yep, this should be the way. Oh cool, I like this wrapping. I can keep this. Before we get on to first turns, I'll move this plastic wrap out of the way. Okay, so I'm back. I haven't touched this. It's time for first turns. Oh, wait a second. It's pretty bumpy. But it is pretty good. For the Speedcube from Rubik's, it's pretty good. Wow, I like this. Let me quickly go ahead and do a solve. I don't know. This is pretty good actually. Oh wow. First solve I've ever done on this, I got a PLL skip. Cool, this puzzle is pretty cool. I like the tiles. I believe this has the GES system and it is looped, of course. I believe this will have the GES system. This is pretty good. I am enjoying this. Wow, let's do one more solve, guys. Wow, what a great way I solved that F12 pair. And another PLL skip, you're kidding me. 2 in a row, guys. Let me go ahead and do one more. I'm really enjoying this Rubik's GAN Speedcube. It's the best for PLL skips if you ever need one. This time not a PLL skip. Wow, I am really enjoying this. I think I can drop in a little bit of silk into this. This is a bit bumpy right now, I guess. Strangely enough. But I am enjoying this puzzle. So this guy definitely needs some lubricant. It is pretty bumpy right now. So let's put a bit of lubricant silk. One drop in there. At the side, exact opposite, one drop. Put this lubricant silk off to the side. Okay, let's move on to first turn. I can feel the difference already. The bumpiness is not gone, but it's reduced. Definitely reduced. I can feel it. As I'm breaking it in, it's becoming better. So overall, guys, this is a great cube and it comes from Rubik's. So I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing of the Rubik's and Speedcube. Thanks a lot for watching and bye.